Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on equations with brackets worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on solving equations that contain brackets. If you're not sure how to proceed, we have a lesson on this very topic. All you need to go is to the last slide, click on the available link, that takes you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. I'll leave this slide on for a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. After that minute or so, I'll go to the next slide, which gives you the answers. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. So these are the answers, and you can check how you went. I'll leave that on for about a minute or so before I move on to the last slide, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.